Hello everyone, you are welcome to another weekend of conversation with Joke. I'm glad you are joining me again today. Today we want to discuss what singles must prepare and what married couples must repair. Before you say I do, and even after you've said it, hear this truth. Marriage does not create problems, it reveals them. So if you don't prepare well as a single, you will spend your marriage repairing what you ignored. For singles, what you must prepare before marriage: 1. Your identity. Know who you are before you try to become one with someone else. If you are confused about yourself, marriage will magnify that confusion. 2. Your emotional health. Unhealed wounds don't disappear in marriage. They show up in conversations, conflicts, and reactions. Deal with past hurts, rejections, and trauma now. 3. Your values and beliefs. What do you truly stand for? Marriage is easier when your values are clear. Values on your faith, money, family, purpose. 4. Your communication skills. Love is not enough. You must know how to express, listen, and resolve conflicts. 5. Your expectations. Unrealistic expectations are silent destroyers. Don't enter marriage with fantasy. Enter with understanding. For married couples, what you must repair inside marriage: broken communication. If you only talk to argue or defend, your connection will suffer. Repair how you speak and how you listen. 2. Emotional distance. You can live in the same house and still feel alone. Reconnect intentionally through time, attention, through undivided affection. Unforgiveness. Unresolved hurts turn into resentment. You cannot build love on a foundation of bitterness. 4. Lost friendship. Before you were lovers, you were companions. If friendship dies, intimacy will struggle. 5. Neglected intimacy, both emotional and physical. Intimacy is not just physical, it's emotional closeness, vulnerability, and trust. Repair it with openness and intentional efforts. Singles, prepare now so you don't suffer later. Married couples, repair now so you don't regret after. Hallelujah. Marriage is not sustained by love alone. I keep saying that. It is sustained by prepared hearts, repaired relationships. So whether you are waiting or already in it, do the work, heal what is broken, and protect the love you have. Thank you for staying to the end. Make sure you hit that notification button, share, like, and comment. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye-bye.